Welcome to my channel, YouTube, at Black Powder Yard, associated with my blog, blackpowderyard.com. Today I'm going to be installing my 1858 into my gun clamp and also setting up the bore laser. So first I have 4-inch carriage bolts that go through the fixture. I have foam pads installed into there and there. Oh, wrong way. This is the top. They're marked. Of course, I don't pay attention to that. Now I'm going to change the camera angle. Hold on, please. Okay, continue. Put the wood piece on. And of course, I'll be installing the 9/16 bolts and nuts. So I'm going to pause at that point and we're going to continue. So I put the bolts, the nuts on loosely and washers, 9/16 again, and I slide the gun in. And of course at this point I tighten. So stand by. So now I've tightened the bolts with my socket wrench, and you can see that the bore laser is installed. I'm going to get that going. And we're going to turn the laser so that it is on top. And let me get my marker. So we're going to mark each 3, 6, 9, and 12. And so on. So as you can see, I've drawn a crosshatch or an X or a cross. This is still not quite centered. As you can see, this is still off to the, but it gives me a good idea where the bore line is. So that's it for today. Of course, we remove the laser before we shoot. That would be helpful. And thank you very much for watching.